help me. Please get me out of here. These people will kill me. Please help me. Please get me out of here. Please.
Sanaya?
Please help me. Please get me out of here. They will kill me. Please help me.
Sanaya? Sanaya? Hello? Sanaya, are you okay? Where are you? Deep?
Hold on.
Who are you? And what are you doing with Sanaya?
Don't waste time in unwanted discussions. If you intend to rescue Sanaya, then come to the Ram temple, which is 4 kilometers away from the Simla bus stand, right now. And listen, if you inform the police or if you say this to anyone, then she won't survive.
Sanaya? No. Please, don't hurt her at all. You need money, right? You will get whatever you want, but please don't hurt Sanaya, please.
If I wanted money, then I would have called your husband and not you. Stop asking these questions and come to us quietly. Don't even dare to leave a note behind. You have 15 minutes.
Hello? 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 Hello, Sanaya? Sanaya? Deep? No. If I have to save her, then I will have to go alone. I can't involve Deep. Sanaya's life is in danger and I have 15 minutes. I'll have to rush. I'll have to rush now.
To die for love.
This is the doll that I had bought for Sanaya from America a couple of years back. But who buried it here?
A doll? But the hand that I had seen was a real hand.
This doll looks quite genuine. Who would say that this isn't alive? Sanaya likes this doll a lot. She used to keep this doll in her room. I have seen Sanaya talking to it many times. Right, Priya? Yes. When Deep had given this doll to Sanaya, she used to show it to everyone. She used to say that no one can have a brother like Deep.
Something that she likes so much. Why did she bury it like this? I get it now. Arohi, she was angry with me. She vented out all her anger on this doll. I scolded her very badly.
It is her anger. Deep, do you remember? She also buried her friend's bag like this. A big scene was created. We had to change her school.
Yes, Dad. It's her anger that made her walk out of the house. She only messaged everyone. She didn't even call anyone.
But Deep,
Please, Arohi. You scared all of us. Don't think such inauspicious thoughts. Sanaya will come back once her anger gets pacified. And you please don't get stressed out. If you get stressed out, then you will fall ill too. You just rest now. Please, let's go inside. Let's all of us go inside.
It's good that I removed the corpse at the right time and placed this doll over here. Or else Deep's secret would have been exposed today.
Hey, Lord Hanuman, the supremely knowledgeable one. Hey Lord Hanuman, the supremely powerful one. You are Lord Ram's messenger. You are Anjani's son and the pregnant of the wind.
Oh, Maya ji, it's me, Diya.
Hey, silly you scared me. Can't you see how scared I'm already? And you came here to scare me. I don't even have the guts to switch off the lights. You please go and let me sleep.
God, terrible things are happening in this house. How can you even sleep in this situation?
Oh man.
I can't even stop thinking about it. What if Arohi really saw Sanaya's hand that time? Do you think that these people have really killed Sanaya?
To be honest, even I get the same feeling. I don't have any proof anyway. You just go. Don't discuss this with anyone, okay? If Deep and that old man over here are conversation, then we'll get trapped in a very big problem. I don't want to mess with these people. These people know everything about me. All the misdeeds that I have committed will be exposed by these people to the police. I don't want to do anything. You just go. Go, dear, go. Okay, listen. You can sleep here if you wish. Listen to what I'm saying. The more the merrier. We will at least be safe in each other's company. I'm feeling very scared.
It is really very scary. No one is safe over here. But Maya, did you notice something?
What?
When Arohi informed everyone about Sanaya's corpse, then Prithvi and Deep were looking very tense.
Even you noticed it too.
Yes. I think something is really very fishy.
You are absolutely right.
Listen something. Let's find out about everything about these people and then we'll ask them extra money to keep our mouth shut. What do you say?
Brilliant. You're not as foolish as you look. You're absolutely right. But this job is full of dangers. But the idea is really good.
Deep, I'm feeling very scared. Could Sanaya really?
Nothing has happened to Sanaya. You just try to sleep. Close your eyes. Arohi.
Yes, sir.
What's the situation?
Sir, I cannot hear you, sir. Hello?
Hello?
Sir? Hello? Sir,
Prithvi, I can't hear you.
I've put the body, sir, in the car and I'll take it away.
Be more alert this time around. A small mistake can prove to be very costly for us. And hide the corpse in such a place where no dog, a human being, or even the wind can reach it.
Okay.
Who can call at this time of the night? Hello?
Please help me, please get me out of here. These people will kill me. Please help me, please get me out of here. Please,
Sanaya?
please help me, please get me out of here. They will kill me. Please help me.
Sanaya? Sanaya? Hello? Sanaya, are you okay? Where are you? Deep?
Hold on.
Who are you? And what are you doing with Sanaya?
Don't waste time in unwanted discussions. If you intend to rescue Sanaya, then come to the Ram temple, which is 4 kilometers away from the Simla bus stand, right now. And listen, if you inform the police or if you say this to anyone, then she won't survive.
Sanaya? No. Please, don't hurt her at all. You need money, right? You will get whatever you want, but please don't hurt Sanaya, please.
If I wanted money, then I would have called your husband and not you. Stop asking these questions and come to us quietly. Don't even dare to leave a note behind. You have 15 minutes.
Hello? 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 Hello, Sanaya? Sanaya? Deep. No. If I have to save her, then I will have to go alone. I can't involve Deep. Sanaya's life is in danger and I have 15 minutes. I'll have to rush. I'll have to rush now.
Arohi? Arohi! Oh God, the corpse is in the car and Arohi took it away.
Tara, don't worry. Whatever is happening now is a thunderstorm that will just pass by. I am with you to protect you at every phase of life. I will never let you get affected.
Should I tell Deep or not? I think I'll have to tell him. Even if he yells at me.
Yes, Prithvi. Tell me, is the job done?
Arohi has taken the car. The car has a dead body.
Oh God. I just have 5 minutes left out of the designated 15. I just hope Sanaya is fine.
How can you be so irresponsible, Prithvi? Despite knowing that the car is Sanaya's dead body, how can you let Arohi take the car away? How can you make such a big mistake?
I did not make a mistake. I was talking to you and she was already in the car. I tried to follow her, but she sped away.
But where did she go? God. What if she sees the corpse and she's going to the police station?
If that happens, sir, then Tara will be trapped. Tara shouldn't be affected. We'll have to do something.
Nothing will happen to her. Nothing will happen to her. I will never let anything happen to her. Do whatever you want. But look for her. Shoot her if you want to, but you do look for her. She should not reach the cops.
Love and Destiny are calling. Watch the full episode of To Die for Love now. A new episode of Passion and Secrets unfolds every Monday to Friday. Subscribe today and stay with us on this unforgettable journey.